Good afternoon. My name is Veronica Falcon, and in this video I'm going to talk about my practicum experience and what I have seen in the education system in Chile. Have you ever seen the amount of homework regular students take from their schools to their homes? Why is this necessary? I have seen it, and considering that they spend almost 8 hours a day at school, I think it should not be necessary. Arrive home to try to learn something that they should have already learned in their schools. I am a critical person, and during my practicum, I have questioned myself if our education system really works. Do students learn at school? Are our methodologies accurate for this epoch? What could we do differently? These are some of the questions that I will try to answer during the following minutes and according to my own experience. First, I have seen that many students do not learn at school. Even when we try to explain some contents personally in different ways, they got distracted and frustrated. When they received simple oral written instructions, most of them needed extra help to understand, because by themselves they were not able to comprehend what they had to do. Sadly, I did not have much practical experience before the COVID-19 pandemic to be able to compare the before and after. But according to what I have shared with the teachers from the school, the situation could be caused by the loss of autonomy students had the last 2 years in virtual classes, and for lack of autonomous reading in their homes. And I would add also our teaching methodology. So in this second reflection, I would like to dig into what I said before, our teaching methodology. I have seen that what most teachers do in schools is to prepare worksheets with the content, worksheets to practice the content, and worksheets to prepare students for the evaluation. With this, I mean worksheets for everything. What students do by themselves is the minimum. I have also noticed that teachers are more focused in the number of worksheets they are able to do in one class than checking if students are actually understanding the content. And finally, I also think that schools in general are very traditional in their methodologies, and they try to have technology out of their classrooms instead of use these resources or devices, especially nowadays when students are so used to them. To finish, and from my inexpert opinion, I would like to share what I think we could do differently to have better results in schools. First, we should focus in the students' learning process instead of how many worksheets they are able to finish in 1 hour of class. Second, we should get rid of worksheets and use methodologies student-centered so they become more autonomous in their learning and develop more skills instead of only receiving knowledge. And third, we should get advantage of technology devices or resources available to make our classes more attractive and updated. As a conclusion, I can say that from all the points shared, I learned a lot, and I will try not to repeat the bad practices in the future, and also be reflective about my own teaching methodology. Thank you.